It's LivingLaVidaVega with Eddie and Bree. Watch them as they try to start a family with bear and mayhem outside of Chicago. It's LivingLaVidaVega. Let's start the show.
Good morning. It is 4 o'clock in the morning and we are about to get ready to go camping. And my eyeballs are hurting so much because I didn't sleep very much because I was on Periscope all night. Great, I know.
Hey, June?
Yeah.
It's about 5 o'clock in the morning now. We were supposed to leave at 4, but everybody just got here. So we're gonna go. What are you most excited about? All that walking you're about to do?
I guess.
Boy, drenched in sweat. It's way so humid. And we have the little top part of the Jeep off. My hair is gonna be a mess. We had to stop at the gas station for gas and for coffee. I took the time, once again, to fix my hair this morning, and it's gonna frizz out because of all this humidity. So I'm kind of tempted to just ask if I can go ride with Eddie's parents, but I'm just gonna get angry, so I guess I'll just live with the frizzy fro. Trying to not have frizzy hair. I long for all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. What about candy for breakfast? What do you think about that?
The best kind of breakfast.
The best kind of breakfast? No. That's not the kind of energy we need. This is our breakfast. And we're not too far from Sovereign Rock now. Maybe like 10 minutes, maybe, even.
Yeah.
What is that? Ew. Trying to Periscope you guys, but I don't think I can because there's no service out here. So far, we're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes because we did not bring our spray. It's safe in the car. Bad decision. And we're looking for
Picnic area?
yeah, picnic area right now.
Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah. But it's gonna be really far away. And I'm just glad I brought my hot Cheetos with me because I'm gonna get hungry. Where are we gonna go? So we're here.
Yeah, we're in.
I think we started like, when we came, I feel like we started over here somewhere.
I did. Se me hace que nos parqueamos acá.
You scared? Don't be scared.
Like that statue.
I know. Oh, I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes and I'm not happy at all. Everybody's just a little bit upset that we have to walk this much, but they wanted to come. Sweating so much. Ow, and so many mosquitoes. I can't live stream it, but I guess I can do this.
My legs already hurt. Going down.
How pretty is this?
Bye. This is usually where we go down, not the park.
Yeah.
Down one.
Oh, it's so pretty here.
It can't possibly be that bad.
Oh, mud.
You're gonna get mud.
Goodbye, shoes. Oh, Jesus. There's a waterfall. Little one. What do you think?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of mosquitoes, but it's okay.
Yeah. And we're walking and walking and walking. What would you do if you got poison ivy?
I don't know.
I would hate getting poison ivy. Yeah. We were in that cave one time. Subimos hasta allá. La otra vez que veníamos. Ajá, en esta cave. Cueva? Is that how you say cave?
Cueva, yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. All right. I want to do that too. Yeah.
Are you gonna take all your shoes?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take them off right here.
We made it by the waterfall and it looks like everyone is taking off their clothes. Well, their shoes and socks and shirts, at least. But it's so beautiful.
You see over here.
Ah! Vega family. Nice. Oh, it's beautiful. Looks like everybody is getting naked over there. It's a party. You're going in, Maite? Yeah? You're not afraid? No? Need help? You got it? Woo! Don't fall. We're gonna go to the waterfall. I got in. In the middle. Not in the middle. My makeup's gonna come all off. I'm gonna look like a nut. Yeah. That's like the only time we've been swimming this year. Yeah. We just went into the waterfall and it was so nice and refreshing since it's so hot here. And that was the first time I've ever done that, so it's pretty fun. I recommend it. Being in that waterfall was probably one of the coolest things I've done this summer. And I didn't expect to do that either when I came. That's why I did my hair and I was worried about the humidity, but sometimes you just gotta live life.
Es por ese camino chiquito.
We're lost a little bit. Gotta return. Well, we knew we were gonna probably get a little bit turned around because that's how we do. When we come to Starved Rock, you get lost. Looks like Sergio is done hiking for today. He's finished, but we're thinking we're gonna go. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna eat lunch right now. All of the older people are talking about going back to the car so we can have lunch. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, y'all. What lunch you gonna have right now? Stale face. But I think Eddie, Jonathan, and I are going to keep on exploring. And you guys too, of course. Whew. How do you like that waterfall? No, so really fun. Yeah, that's my favorite part so far. By the time we get home, we're gonna be really skinny. We're gonna have lost about 50 pounds. That's how you get a summer body, y'all. Go hiking for a while, get lost. Ew. Well, we're going back to the car right now to get water. And I've already walked 9,260 steps, so that's right on. And about 5 miles. Whew. And there's so much more to do. Snacks of champions. Probably not the best for my diet, but that's okay. It's the weekend. We're leaving the picnic. I am extremely tired since I didn't really get to sleep very well. And I don't know if we're going antiquing, but that's what he told his family, so. Are we really going antiquing?
Yeah, we could go to 1 or 2.
Okay. We are at the trading post, the place that we weren't able to go to the other time we went. We came here with Will and Jesse and Will's dad to see what we can find. These are kind of cool, whatever they are. Walking sticks?
I think so.
So they're really cool. Hiking sticks. I like this one. This skull one looks pretty cool. Which one's your favorite? This lion? A bald man's hairbrush. Anyone? It's only $1.95. Some cool ones.
Similar to the one I got.
Oh yeah, with the cord. But are those really dinosaurs? Are they really dinosaur bones?
Taco
Hmm.
Just kidding with you.
He just asked me if I was gonna get Jonathan a samurai sword for his birthday. No way!
Get Will like that. It looks like animation.
No, we're done. Let's go. Look at this hair after going through that water. I feel like I look like a wet dog. And I smell like one too. It's gross. Well, anyway, at that store, what I just got was this head bandana thingy so that when we go riding, I won't have an excuse that my hair is gonna get messed up because this will cover the majority of my hair. And I could just put it in like a bun or something. But I think we're going home, right?
I don't know.
Or are we going antiquing to another store?
You can find one.
Walmart run. We're gonna see if the boys were good boys while we were gone. Right here. They are. Open the door. My boys! We come back for you! Let's go outside. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, you sillies. We are finally back home and I am showered and I went straight into pajamas. It's about 1 o'clock right now, but I'm so tired from being out and from hiking. We hiked about probably 10 miles today. I'm so dead. So I'm trying to edit the vlog right now and I forgot that I used 3 different cameras. I used my iPhone, I used the GoPro, and then our new Sony a6000. So to edit all of those 3 things was so horrible. But thankfully I am almost done, so it won't take that long to edit more. But the video is really long as it is, so I will tell you guys goodbye and see you tomorrow. Bye. No. Part two? Part 2 is too long. I'm not going to put 2 videos, just 1. So if you guys like our videos, press that like button. If you guys want to see more, subscribe. And comment down below if you guys have any questions. Okay, bye. Well, that was an adventure.